Let's talk about a mechanic. A mechanic repairs cars and other vehicles. Most mechanics work in a garage. Cars stop working for many reasons. A driver brings the car to the garage. The mechanic listens to the engine. They look for the problem first. A computer helps them check the car. Mechanics use many different tools. A wrench turns the bolts. They lift the car with a special machine. Then they can look underneath. They take out the old parts. New parts are ready on the shelf. Mechanics change the oil in the engine. They also check the tires and brakes. Dirty hands are a part of the job. Mechanics wear gloves and safety glasses. The garage is noisy and busy. Some repairs take only an hour. Bigger repairs take several days. A mechanic explains the price to the customer. In Japan, mechanics do annual car inspections. Mechanics study at a technical school. They learn about new electric cars too. A careful mechanic keeps drivers safe. A good mechanic is easy to trust.